Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy M56. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can set your default browser or you can click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget or you can click not now. Now you can sign into your Firefox account or you can click not now. Here you can turn on notifications or you can click not now, and here you can select your theme or you can just click save and continue, and you can pick your toolbar placement or you can just click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.